Oh yeah, and then now you have a spare case if you don't want to do, or maybe donate it to the, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for hanging around today. It was nice to meet you, and enjoy your new PC. If I was gonna lose to anything, I guess a cardboard monstrosity sort of. You know, I've wanted to do a video like this for so long. I just can't bring myself to do it. I've made cardboard shrouds and air conditioners, and I have even like Ellen-2'd with random stuff, but I can't bring myself to do this.
I'm so happy with it. It's like the IKEA times 12, right? Because I actually built it with my own.
No, because at least IKEA stuff comes with instructions and is intended to go together in a certain way.
When I build IKEA, it also looks like this though. So
I've seen his studio.